Now I'm going to show you how to draw a dynamic block, something linear, just to show you how it goes. So let's create a 12-inch rectangle. Now this can be in the form of a light or a handrail, anything linear, or even a wall reveal or something. So let's change the layer to something like by others. So let's make it into a block. Let's assume this is a railing slash linear light. Let's pick whatever you want and select object. Oh crap, there's something there. A slash, it won't let me do it. Oh, I just put or linear light. Okay, so it's there. So let's make this thing a dynamic block. Block edit, go inside, and do a parameter. Let's put a parameter on it. Let's do a linear stretch. Center all the way to the edge. And let's call this thing length. And then let's do a linear stretch pair. And then let's call this thing width. Okay. And let's put an action on it. Start with this. Whatever you click first, it will appear first here. That's what I know. We'll see later. Okay, click that arrow and then that edge there. And then this one, I always start. It's up to you, but where you want it. There are two, you start at the bottom first or the left first or the right first. So I'll start at the bottom first. Put this. Okay. Okay, tap the area where it stretches. Everything inside that area should move with that thing. Okay, that's it. And there's an option here. You can stretch it one at a time, each side, but you can stretch it at the same time, like in a chain. Base location can be midpoint, and then so it stretch. Well, I'll show you. Start point as the base location. Save. If we stretch that, it changes there. See the length. We made it. We put the action first, or we made the length first, so it goes on top. See. If you use base point, it's going to stretch one by one. But if you change that to center, midpoint, close, save. If you stretch this, it stretches at the same time. So from there you can specify 4-inch or 2-inch. And in here you can specify if you want like 18-inch. You don't have to go in every time and stretch, you just change it from the properties. And from here you have the option to have increments or something. Distance type, if you're doing a linear light, there are increments like 1.5 inch increments, like 2 inch increments, minimum of like say 4 inch. You cannot go down that length, 4 inch. You can assign those things also. So let's save. So it shows you those increments. You cannot go down that 4 inch anymore. And let's go back again. There are increments and then there are lists. Well, if you want, you do 4, 8, but that's going to be a fixed thing where you have to, you cannot, it cannot be varying. It's going to be fixed, like 24. Okay, let's go on and look at that. Let's see. Cannot go out anymore. I guess that's it for tutorial how to make a dynamic block. Hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe.